What is going on, guys? I know you've been waiting for this milestone since the introduction section. And that's basically a unique milestone in our AlphaTech Academy programming course. And I think that this milestone is nothing but awesome, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Just do me a favor, if you love this challenge, if you love this milestone, please share this video with your friends. I'll try to leave this content publicly available because I want as many people as possible to gain knowledge from my courses. So I hope you're ready for our $1 million question. And the question goes like this. Would you rather have $1 million at the moment, I mean right now, or maybe you would like to have 1 cent knowing your amount of money will be doubled every day for the next 30 days. So we have two options here. 1 million right now, which is a lot of money, or maybe we prefer getting just 1 cent, doubling itself, the total amount so far, for the next month, for the next 30 days. And then once this time have passed, then you can get all the money you've gathered so far. And basically at first glance, the first offer when we get where we get the $1 million looks pretty much better, right? And since we know that if we have to sum up all the doubling thing for the 30 days, we know that we can use something that we've just learned in this section, which is loops, and this would probably help us a lot, right? So I hope that with the help of your amazing program that you're going to develop right now, you will be able to make some good, informative, calculated decision. And if you're curious and you want to find out how did I write this program to make this decision, you have to check out the next video. So good luck, and I'll see you there.